On the evening of November 12, 1996, one of the deadliest mid-air collisions in aviation history occurred in the skies above Charkhi Dadri, a small town near New Delhi, India. Two planes, a Saudi Arabian Airlines Boeing 747 and the Kazakhstan Airlines Il-76, were involved in the tragic incident that claimed the lives of all 349 passengers and crew members on board both aircraft. The Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 763, a Boeing 747, had just taken off from Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. It was bound for Dhahran, Saudi Arabia, carrying 312 passengers and crew. Meanwhile, Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907 was approaching New Delhi. The plane carried 37 people, including its crew. In 1996, India's air traffic control system was not equipped with modern radar technology to prevent mid-air collisions, relying heavily on verbal communication with pilots. This created room for human error, which tragically came to light on that fateful evening. As the Saudi Boeing 747 climbed to its assigned altitude of 14,000 feet after takeoff, the Kazakhstan Il-76 was descending towards New Delhi, also assigned an altitude of 15,000 feet. However, due to a miscommunication and poor visibility, the Kazakh pilots began descending below their assigned altitude, unknowingly entering the airspace of the Saudi plane. At approximately 6:40 p.m. local time, the two planes collided in mid-air. Both planes were torn apart, and within moments, the debris from both aircraft rained down over the fields of Charkhi Dadri, scattering wreckage over a wide area. The scene on the ground was catastrophic. Rescue teams were quickly dispatched, but there were no survivors. All 349 people on both flights perished in the crash, making it the deadliest mid-air collision in history. Investigators soon identified several factors that led to the disaster. One of the most significant was the lack of proper communication between the pilots of the Kazakhstan Airlines flight and air traffic control. The Kazakh crew, who were not fluent in English, misunderstood their altitude clearance. Additionally, the outdated equipment and absence of secondary radar at New Delhi's Air Traffic Control Center prevented them from accurately tracking the plane's altitudes.